Yeah, hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button. It's very important. If you are old here, thank you for sticking around. Okay, so today is very interesting. I just want to show you how I use AI to design uh, Ramadan, simple website for a countdown, with some Quran quotes. So now let's get started. Open your browser. I'm using Chrome. Then search for this AI tool, vo dot dev dot def dev dev. Open. If you are a new user, you need to create an account. If you are old user, you just log in. Though if you have watched my previous video, you've seen I've used this AI. So it's no new thing. So I was just boring and I said, let me try and do something. So I'll give the prompt like design a simple but beautiful web page for Ramadan countdown which will automatically 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 decrease in days, showing sorry I did not plan, so just let me go through it very quickly. So design a simple but beautiful web page for Ramadan Countdown, which will automatically decrease in the days, and add a simple Quran quotes. It should update daily. Okay, so first of all, let's give this prompt and see what the outcome will be. Then after that, we take it from there. So send. So it's thinking I'll create a beautiful countdown web page with the following features. See, it's even. So it has started. Let's see what this is how it think that it means the AI is thinking. So it thought for 5 seconds. So let's imagine can human beings act like this? No, it's not possible. So basically, if people says AI is here to take human's job, I don't believe it. You get me? It's here to make our life easier. Just remember when you start coding, we were coding in you know assembly languages and machine language, which is zeros and ones. Very very difficult to learn. So that where high level programming came to make life easier. Now AI is here to make things easier for us. So this is what it's doing. You see, a daily Quran code that updates it daily. The timer automatically increase. He said there's an error, so I'll just make sure it's fixed. So I'll click on fix the error, and it will show here, and I'll send it. So basically, this is how we are using AI to do interesting stuff. I'm not writing any code, not just a single line. It will do everything for me, and then it is going to host online. So It's crazy. So I'm just urging everyone, each one of us, to to learn about AI tools and AI models. And the best thing is if you know how to give a prompt. I'll give you a template for it if you want a complete and original prompt, which will give you a nice and good outcome. So just see what it has just done. You get me? Counting down to the blessed Ramadan. So, what do you think? Daily Quran quote. And when my servant asks concerning me, indeed I am near. I respond to the invocation of the supplicant when he calls upon. Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 186. So, I think now it is 000. So what I'll do is, let's try and add something to make sure. He said the error okay because the file was missing the location where it was important from. Now that the blah blah, I don't care how you solve it. I just want my thing to work. So now I need you to show the days. So I'll just add, please kindly, show the current day of the Ramadan and kindly update daily. So let's see if it will add the days, the hours and times. That's what I want him to do. So that now it will just give us a nice interface. And if trust me, if you try to code this from scratch, if you have done coding, you will see what I'm talking about. The thing is, you can do it, but it just take time. See what is writing. He's using what do you call it? React, TypeScript, CSS. You don't have to. The best thing is you need to learn the basis. So if you know how to, for instance, when there is an error or if you want to change something to suit you personally, even that one, you can give the prompt to the AI to do for you. So learn the AI. So now I'm just sitting. See how is this possible? See, I think within like less than 30 seconds. You see, now this is the updated one. Ramadan Kareem, day 3 of the Ramadan, 27 days remaining. Daily quote. And when my servant asks, you get me? So what I'll do is, let's go through the how it works. He said, automatically countdown show days and Ramadan. Daily quote displays a different inspirational quote. So next day it will change. So I hope you love it. See how it came. It came very nice. Ramadan Kareem, day 3 of Ramadan. So what I'll do is, now it's previewing. Now I want to host this online so that I can share to my friends and also can use it. Very simple. So what I'll do is get deploy. And it's going to host it. I don't need to buy a domain, pay for any monthly services or whatever. VO is a very powerful AI tool. Actually, this is a free version. I'm using a free version. If you want, a pay version, that means you are limited to number of, prompts you ask within a day. But I think even this, if you know how to use it well, you can maximize it within that day to do what you want to do. So as I'm saying, as time goes on, I'm going to show you how to build your own AI local. So now it's ready, and this is our page. So let's visit the page now and see. So man, so this is our page. It's very simple, and I think it should be mobile friendly. Yeah, It's responsive. You get me? When I say responsive, let's say if you want to see, if you open it their phone, you can go to where is my email tools, right? Should be there, developer tools, and I'll choose different phone. If you are using iPhone SR, this is how it's going to display. If you are using Samsung 20 Ultra, this is S20 Ultra. So this is responsive. They have done everything for us. iPhone 14 Pro Max, let's help see different kind of. So it's very, very, very interesting. I really, that's why I'm saying try and learn AI, and your life will be very simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and send it to my, Facebook for people to just visit it and see what is going on. And I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very simple and just showing the powerfulness of AI. So if you enjoy it, please can you hit the subscribe button and like for more. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.